Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D pens for modeling and design that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a creative professional, a hobbyist, or someone just starting out, there's a 3D pen in this list for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Saviland Advanced Nail Art Sculpture Pen Set. While this product is marketed more for nail art enthusiasts, it's worth mentioning due to its creative versatility. The set includes 3 dual-ended pens, each featuring a combination of fine carving tips and shaping tips. These tools are designed for creating intricate 3D details such as flowers, patterns, and textures, making them perfect for precision work in nail art and other finely detailed projects. The build quality is impressive, with titanium steel construction that ensures durability and resistance to wear and tear. The anti-adhesive properties make maintenance a breeze, and the fine 0.2mm nibs offer exceptional detail work. However, these pens are more niche-specific, and their use cases are limited compared to traditional 3D pens. They're ideal for creative professionals in the nail art industry or anyone looking to experiment with intricate sculpting on small surfaces. While this isn't your traditional 3D printing pen, it's a great option for those who want to explore a different side of 3D design. That said, if you're looking for a pen to create large-scale models or prototyping, this may not be the right choice for you. Pros include excellent build quality, precision, and versatility for small-scale projects. On the downside, its application is quite niche, and it's not a standalone 3D pen. Coming in at number 4 is the 3D Mate 3D Pen Filament Kit with a silicone design mat and stencil book. Now, it's essential to note that this isn't a standalone 3D pen, but rather a comprehensive accessory kit for use with 3D pens you already own. The kit includes 360 feet of PLA filament in 36 vibrant colors, a heat-resistant silicone mat, a stencil book with 11 templates, and finger protectors to ensure safe use. The standout feature here is the 3D Mate Starter Mat, which is heat-resistant, dual-sided, and transparent. One side is smooth, while the other is grooved for enhanced control when creating detailed designs. Pair it with the stencil book, and you have a fantastic toolkit for beginners looking to learn the basics of 3D drawing. The individually vacuum-sealed filaments ensure freshness and reduce the risk of clogging in your 3D pen, which is a big plus. While this kit is an excellent add-on for anyone already using a 3D pen, it doesn't include the pen itself, so it's not a complete solution for beginners. If you're looking to upgrade your setup or add more versatility to your 3D pen projects, this kit is a solid investment. It's affordable, versatile, and beginner-friendly, though the lack of a pen means you'll need to pair it with an existing device. At number 3, we have the Scribd P1 3D Printing Pen with Display. This pen is an excellent choice for those who want an affordable yet functional option for 3D drawing and modeling. It comes with 3 starter colors of PLA filament, a power adapter, and even a stencil guide to help you get started right out of the box. It's beginner-friendly and offers a stepless speed function, which allows precise control over the flow of filament, making it suitable for both intricate designs and faster infill work. The design is practical, featuring an easy-to-read display that allows you to adjust the temperature for different filament types, such as PLA and ABS. The ceramic nozzle and premium motor are designed to reduce the risk of clogging, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. Safety features like the auto-sleep function and intuitive controls make this pen a great option for younger users and families. On the downside, the Scribd P1 lacks the premium feel and advanced features of higher-end models, but it's hard to beat for the price. It's perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want to dip their toes into 3D drawing without a significant investment. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and safety features, while cons are its more basic build and lack of advanced customization options. In second place, we have the Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen with OLED display. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 3D pen that doesn't skimp on features, this is the one for you. Priced at just $59, it offers adjustable feed and temperature controls, allowing you to fine-tune your work for different materials and effects. The large OLED display is a standout feature, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings on the fly. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is great for intricate designs. The kit includes 3 colors of PLA filament, an AC adapter, and a 1-year limited warranty, making it a fantastic starter package for beginners and hobbyists. While it doesn't have the advanced features of more expensive models, it's a reliable and user-friendly option that performs well for its price. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and adjustable settings, while cons are its limited material compatibility and lack of premium build quality. It's an excellent choice for anyone on a budget who wants to explore the world of 3D drawing. Finally, at number 1, we have the 3Doodler Pro 2025 3D printing pen, the ultimate tool for creative professionals. This premium pen supports a wide range of materials, including wood, copper, steel, PLA, and more, making it the most versatile option on this list. It's compatible with 1.75mm filament spools, making it a perfect companion for full-sized 3D printers, or as a standalone tool for prototyping and design. The upgraded display and enhanced button design provide greater control and ease of use, while the sleek, ergonomic build ensures a comfortable experience even during extended use. The inclusion of interchangeable nozzle tips allows for customization, so you can achieve different effects and levels of detail in your projects. It's the perfect tool for architects, designers, and artists looking for precision and versatility. While the 3Doodler Pro is the most expensive option at $199.99, its performance and feature set justify the price. It's a premium product designed for professionals or serious hobbyists who want the best of the best. Pros include its wide material compatibility, premium build quality, and advanced features, while cons are the higher price point and steeper learning curve. If quality and versatility are your priorities, this is the 3D pen to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.